Hello and welcome to a special Saturday evening cocktail. I'm out in the igloo next door with my dear friends, and we are here, and I got a special cocktail for you. They opened up the Galactic Starcruiser down in Orlando, and with that, more importantly for me, they released the bar list, and that one of the things that they released was the Hoth Icebreaker down there. And you know what? They got an igloo next door, and what better place to come down and try to mix up the Hoth Icebreaker. Now, Disney, don't sue me. I don't know your proportions. I'm going to try and put this together as best I can. It's a vodka-based drink. I'm making a few to share, so let's put these together right now. So, I'm going to open up my vodka right here, and I'm going to do this at really kind of a 2 to 1 to 1 sort of drink. So let's go with 6 ounces of vodka, 2 and 4 and 6 ounces of vodka right here. And it calls for vodka, it calls for lemon. And again, if you have fresh squeezed lemon, by all means, go ahead. But I have the good bottled stuff for this. Hey, we're drinking with neighbors. You want to give them the good stuff, right? 3 ounces of lemon juice if we're making a few of these. And it calls for pure cane syrup. So I just mixed up some demerara sugar and really just a little bit of water just so it would melt down. And I'm going to use that equal portions with the lemon juice. So 1.5 ounces of that to go with my 3 ounces of lemon juice, 3 ounces of my syrup, and that's all I got to put into the shaker here. And so really kind of almost a sweet and sour with vodka. Okay, and here we go. I have got a glass here, and I again got all excited when I saw the igloo. I forgot my strainer, so I'm just gonna pour this right over some ice here. Now this calls for a lemon vanilla cream, a lemon vanilla foam to go on top of this. So there's a lot of different ways to do that. If you look to the end of the video, I'll tell you how I did it. But I made some rather quickly before I came out, and it's in my sauce pot right here. And I'm gonna just foam it right on top and right on top. And this one is kind of a citrus vanilla foam. It's going to go right on top, and I'm sure if you're having it on the Starcruiser, they're going to have it all smoky and everything. But here we are in the icebreaker, or in the igloo, enjoying the Hoth Icebreaker. Cheers, everybody. Not bad. Everybody, call your friends, take care of each other, call the people you love. Cheers. I'm going to make a few of these, pass them around. Actually, I'm going to do one right now here. Let's get a taste test here. Going to put you right on the spot. Right. One more. We got time on the video.
All right, my first appearance.
Cheers.
It's good. Very good.
Here we go. Satisfied customer, everybody. Again, call the people you love. Take care of each other. Cheers, everybody.
The lemon foam, there's several different recipes. A lot of them have egg whites and different things like that to make that froth. What I didn't want to get into the egg whites, and I really wanted to do it up quick. So I found a quick and easy recipe. I used a half a can of sweetened condensed milk, a half a can of evaporated milk, threw them into my saucepan, started to heat it up, got my immersion blender, one of those boat motor dealies, and just got it running. As it was heating it up, got it up, blended and frothing. Put in a couple ounces of lemon juice as it was going, and a couple of teaspoons of vanilla extract. Got all that going, and it calls for some gelatin. I didn't have any unflavored gelatin, so I got some lime jello, about half a pack of that, and just threw that in, and just let it all froth with the immersion blender there. And that actually made a nice little foam, and then when it came to temperature, it actually made a nice froth. And then when it cooled, it stayed kind of frothy, and that's what I put on top of the drink. So you could do that to make the foam. And the only thing I would say is just put it on top of the drink, and don't let it cool. Don't cool too much. Don't let it settle on top of the drink, because it will solidify rather quickly. But then you got like a little Jello shot on top. Anyway, cheers, everybody. Be safe. Take care of each other. See you next week. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. We got cocktails coming every week.